CYWG course 135, go to the right more.
Course 135.
CYWG ILS on 135.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Good.
And minimums is 200.
Start requesting descent. And Winnipeg Bravo 1239 requesting descent.
Which 1239 descend, 9,000, altimeter 2977.
9,002, 997, Bravo 1239.
Yeah, 9,000, altimeter is 2977.
2977, copy. Okay, bring the power back, man, start going down slow. Start turning. Start turning to the left now. A little bit. Not too much, but you're good here.
Descent checklist?
Okay, so then oh, 27 4.
Winnipeg Center, do you read Bearskin 305?
Precision set, ADAS, receipt, approval is complete, and initial vectors are open.
So is that Bearskin 305 trying to check in at 6,000?
That confirmed, sir. How do you read the radio?
Sorry, if it was Bearskin 305, might just be out of range there. Winnipeg altimeter 2977, ADAS is whiskey, and just keep trying closer in.
Oh, it's the course 135 for the ILS, right?
611 next
Course is 135.
132.82 in 5
Good.
minutes.
Should we break it through here or from the outside?
Let's here.
Sorry? Go around it?
Winnipeg Bravo 1239.
Go ahead.
Yes, we see we get a couple of cells here on the route. Any chance we can divert more around 300, heading 330 for another 50 miles, and then cut to the south after that?
Bravo 1239, headings your discretion. I'll be watching what you're doing.
Okay, thank you, Bravo 1239. I just have to go away, man. When I go, bring the power back.
Center, how you doing? Westjet 697 at a 200 to 230.
Westjet 697, Winnipeg Center, good day. Climb flight level 280, and when able, you're clear direct Yankee Delta Romeo, rest unchanged, advise please.
All right, 280, clear Yankee Delta Romeo, when able, Westjet 697, thanks. Winnipeg Center, good day, this is November 239 now, with the flight level 230.
Okay, good, that's good.
Yeah, I like that.
Just keep your hands,
Winnipeg Center, climb flight
in
level
case the autopilot is engaged, right? Ready to hold
Okay.
control, right?
North direct Yankee Delta Romeo.
See?
I have control.
Doing fine, just keep going. Just one second, keep your hand on the controls. Autopilot is engaged, so drive on.
Winnipeg Center, how do you read Bearskin 305 now?
Go to the north.
Bearskin 305 here, you're loud and clear, 6,000, thanks. Altimeter 2977 with whiskey.
2977, we indeed have the ATIS, and I'd like to deviate a little bit to the south around the cell.
Drifting 305, heading 0 to
That's what I'm saying. Give your hands, right?
Okay. You want to go
305, local.
out
We're fine. Just
a little bit more
just
left?
if I poke, keep just fly. I know you poke you turns, okay?
Okay. You don't want to go right a bit for this cell?
Yep, yep. Keep flying.
I have control.
Mind your speed. You have control. To the right.
Turning,
to right.
turning.
Fine. Do you do the same?
Yep.
Keep turning. Give it a turn. Fine.
Push at 697.
Don't go down. 1,000 per minute.
20.5. Good day.
Doing fine.
24.5 now, west at 697. Have a good day, we'll see you.
Keep going. Very good. A little power.
Winnipeg Center, good evening, it's Flare 326 in descent 325, level 290 with information Victor.
Flare 326, Winnipeg Center, descend 9,000, altimeter 29778 is whiskey.
Down to 9,000, 2977, we'll pick up whiskey, Flare 326.
Okay, good. Start going next. 20% there, Bravo 12, 39, we start turning left around 020.
Bravo 1239, check, heading 0 discretion.
See how bumpy it gets, man? Saying
This.
you have to be,
Yeah.
and just bring the power back. Now, just autopilot engage again.
Autopilot engaged.
Master warning, how about you?
Pitch trim.
Okay, this
Center perimeter 952.
I have it.
Flight level 210.
Perimeter 952, climb flight level 210.
Flight level 210.
1,000 per minute.
You want to turn north? Is it? Oh, okay.
What are you doing, man? We're talking already.
Flare 326, descend to 14,000 for now.
Oh, so push it. We gotta follow push. We got it.
Are we flying? Are you doing direct north or no?
Oh yeah, man. Look,
Yeah, that's good.
10,000 there.
10,000?
Bring it up. Bring it to also, man.
Go again. Power. Up. Want to go?
There.
You can probably give us direct Kipka.
No, yeah. $9,000, man. Remember. Speed.
9,000. Captured.
Capture. Good. High power. You like the fan?
I like it. I love this. It was good adrenaline. But that's the
Yeah.
maximum. That's the maximum I want to go.
Yeah, man. I'll bring it up. Speed. Go.
Was 2976.
Nice, man.
Do we need to reset it or it goes
Yeah,
up on
climb.
its own?
Push with control.
Oh, you have control wheel stick?
Right here, you say.
Yeah.
Winnipeg Center, suggestion 305.
Power, man.
Up.
Flare 326, contact arrival now, 119.5, good day.
100.5, flare 326, good evening.
Bearskin 305, go ahead.
Just because of all the deviations, any chance after the deviations you could just go direct to Winnipeg rather than direct NORAC, direct Winnipeg?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Bearskin 305, no, you don't have to go to NORAC. Whenever you're able, you're clear direct Winnipeg.
Okay, when able, direct Winnipeg, Bearskin 305, appreciate that.
On Winnipeg, Bravo 1239 is about 9,000 feet.
Bravo 1239, roger. And what's your plan right now, sir?
We got some build-ups here on the left side. We'd like to continue for another 20 miles maybe, and then go flag to Kidba for the initial RNAV into 13.
Direct Winnipeg when able right now.
Rogers.
The direct Winnipeg?
No, not yet. We're not going to Winnipeg. Look at this. We go to the right again.
Right or left? Is there no through here? Because this is pretty messed up.
I don't want to go there, man. That way. And Bravo 1239 is further right deviation for Klaus here.
Yeah, Bravo 1239, deviate as required, sir.
Clear that way. You know what I mean? We're going to go around.
Winnipeg Center, Jazz 339, we're just out of 17.5 for flight level 230, direct to Barron.
Jazz 339, Winnipeg Center, good day. Climb flight level 280.
Flight level 280.
This is the fan, man.
I like this.
It's clear. You don't want you don't want to go that way.
Winnipeg Center, Comair 118, climbing 16,300 for 200.
Comair 118, Winnipeg Center, good day.
Winnipeg Bridgeskin 312 out of 15.2 for 17,000. We're heading roughly 030 for now for weather.
Bearskin 312, Winnipeg Center, good day. The Red Lake altimeter
11,000 scattered, 16,000 broken, 26,000 broken, temperature 22, dew point 18, altimeter 2977, cumulonimbus, embedded west. IFR, approach, RNAV, Zulu, or Yankee, runway 13. Pilot shall inform arrival of requested approach on initial contact. Landing and departing, runway 13. Runway surface condition, all runways, 100% bare and wet at 2121 Zulu. Caution, birds in the area. Land and hold short operations in effect. Inform ATC that you have information whiskey. Winnipeg International, information.
Bearskin 305, you coming around the corner of that now?
Just starting to.
Perfect.
Look up right there and see.
Can we get lower maybe? To stay out of the clouds?
Winnipeg Bravo 1239, any chance for lower?
Sorry, Air Bravo's looking for lower?
Yes, any chance for lower?
Bravo 1239, descend to 6,000.
6,000 Bravo 1239.
So are you going to be able to turn back towards Winnipeg?
Yeah, I start turning right now to Kidpa. Let's see if I can get through here. In the power back.
Air Bravo 1239, I'm not sure what you want to do, but there is a hole to the south of Winnipeg. If you can't get in that way, you'd have to go about 70 miles south of your position, and then you'd be able to bring it west. I don't know what you're seeing. Guys are also, though, getting in from the north, so it's up to you.
So just to go to the north and then go back south?
Sir, I'm telling you, the guys are able to go northbound out of Winnipeg, but there is a hole also coming in from the south end of the Winnipeg terminal. It's your discretion, sir.
It seems like I have an opening here, so I'm going direct to Kilpa this time.
Yeah, Air Bravo 1239, if you see an opening, that's your discretion, sir.
Rogers.
Is it RNAV or ILS?
Doesn't matter, man.
Evening, Perimeter 117 with you, 15,500.
That's me, we just go up to RNAV.
Sorry, last call to center again, please.
Perimeter 117 with you, 15,800 for 220.
Perimeter 117, Winnipeg Center, good day.
Maintain power bar.
6,000 for the time being.
170.
Alright, maintain 16,000 for the time being, Perimeter 117.
And Center Sky North 851 with you through 175 for flight level 200.
Sky North 851, Winnipeg Center, good day.
Good day.
Bearskin 305, contact arrival now 119.5, good day.
19.5, Bearskin 305.
Want to go?
Okay. Looks like opening there, eh?
That's
Yeah.
good there.
Oh, actually stay.
But this is all cells above us now, not...
Perimeter 117, are you able 16,000 as a final?
Isn't that correct?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, Perimeter 117, we take 16,000.
Okay, thanks, that's just to help you get into Norway House. Maintain 16,000, that'll be your final.
Maintain 16,000, Perimeter 117.
And Winnipeg Bravo 1239 with terrain like 10 degrees to the left for the next 10 miles, and then we can cross back to Kilpa.
Air Bravo 1239, okay, check your DVD and when able, clear direct to Winnipeg.
Any chance direct to kickback for the RNAV?
Okay, sir, you know what, just deviate as required, your clearance is Winnipeg, I'll have you over to arrival, they'll be able to give you a fix to go to, but deviate as required.
Thank you. In the power back, it's going to be bumpy here for a moment. Back to flight to this cell, we got no choices, but we should be fine. Just be careful for ready for the autopilot to disengage, okay?
Yep.
Comair 126 and 50 miles, contact Winnipeg Center on 13562.
3562 and 50 miles.
120 please, no lower.
Winnipeg Center, Perimeter 912, 16,000 with whiskey.
Perimeter 912, Winnipeg Center, good day. Jazz 339, contact Winnipeg Center now 120.5.
120.5, Jazz 339.
Air Bravo 1239, contact Winnipeg arrival now 119.5. Good day.
95, thank you for your help, Air Bravo 1239.
No problem.
305.
Bravo, good day. Bravo 1239 is direct to kick.
Air Bravo 1239, arrival runway 1318 available if you like. The wind's 1008 knots.
I would say we went 3 for Bravo 1239.
Bravo 1239, roger, runway 13, the altimeter 2977. Did you want the ILS or RNAV?
ILS.
We'll take the ILS for now, Bravo 1239.
Bravo 1229, roger, headings your discretion when able, clear direct to Vogig.
Undiscretion direct to Bucky, the Bravo 1239.
Vogig. That's the final fix. What's the altitude at Vogik?
Hold on a second.
Arrival there, skin 305. We have the airport clear.
Skin 305, Roger, able heading 330.
We are indeed, skin 305.
Skin 305, Roger, fly heading 330, descend 5,000.
Heading 330, 5,000.
Don't worry about the altitude because we got a vector, so
Okay. Okay.
you're doing fine. Just be ready to take control if pilot is engaged.
Wilco.
We'll be fine, man. Fucking
No, it's just it's good learning experience.
Central American 187.
you're watching the airplane at least, man.
It's a clean plane.
So,
We're good on battery.
don't tell me the battery's dead.
No, we're good.
Slow down.
Blowing.
Be ready to hand fly the airplane because it might disengage.
Yep.
Not capture. Alt on.
That's a good right there.
Yeah.
Bravo 1239, do you have the airport in sight?
Yes, we got the airport inside, Bravo 1239.
Bravo 1239, quick visual, runway 13 unrestricted.
Visual, we're clear for the visual approach, 1239. Keep going, man.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Bravo 1239, cleared visual, approach runway 13.
Clear visual approach 13, Bravo 1239. Okay, so just go ahead.
Okay, let's just
Keep going. For the corner. Just 230.
let's do 2,000 feet.
230. No, you're fine here. You pick up the ILS.
Okay. But we're coming in. We'll come in
Yeah,
higher than
just-
the ILS now.
Yeah, I know, but just wait a little. We're low. Got the runway inside?
Runway inside.
Perfect.
Winnipeg arrival, perimeter 912, cleared 9,000, landing visual runway 13.
Perimeter 912, Winnipeg arrival, runway 13, descend to 6,000, altimeter 2977.
Indicating above glide slope.
13, descend 6,000, perimeter 912.
Okay.
Keep it.
We're low, alright. Yeah, last space.
Bravo 1239, contact Winnipeg Tower 1183, see you.
18-3, thanks for your help, Bravo 1239. Tower, Bravo 1239, clear for the visual approach, 13.
Bravo 1239, Winnipeg, Tower altimeter 2977, number 1, runway 13 unrestricted.
Number 1, Bravo 1239. Gear down. Slow down. You want to gear down?
Let's see, I'm gonna autopilot off.
Yep, and fly. You want to gear down?
Gear down, please. Wait, one.
It's coming up.
Yep. Back. Let's approach altitude set.
Hey, Mr. Brush, please set already.
Flaps 15. No,
No, not yet.
hold on.
Follow your ILS, man. Practice on ILS.
Hotel Bravo, hotel and restrictions remain north of the approach to runway 31 and east of the field.
Alright.
Turn the approach for 3-1. Hotel Bravo, hotel.
We're flat 15 now.
Yes, please. On glide slope.
Went down, very good. There was no need to descend right away.
And localizer captured.
Perfect.
Bravo 1239, long landing your discretion, exit at the end, wind 110 at 9, clear to land runway 13.
Clear to land runway 13 and we take it right to the end of Bravo 1239.
What's the braking action? Because 8 is said wet. Do you want me to...
Waterman's clear. Let's correct to the left.
Yeah, correcting.
You want flap 15 or flap 30 for landing?
I'll do flaps, what?
Up to you.
Let's do flaps 15, because
Okay.
it's a little bit windy.
Just says wind check. Speed.
110 at 9.
Just now.
Okay. That's
Slow down.
blowing. Final landing checks.
Clear to land, right?
Confirm.
Landing checks complete.
You.
Lights up. Speed.
Tower Chinook 633 medevac is with you with visual 13.
Chinook 633, medevac, Winnipeg, Terrell, Tower 2977, number 2, runway 13, Pilatus, short final.
Check number 2, Chinook 633.
Power back, power back.
Blowing.
Correct to the left. Very good. Power back, power back, power back. Power.
So it's back.
Good. Well, we made it, my friend. After
We
long,
made it.
long.
It was very
Fine.
nice flight. All the way to the end.
Guys, take it away.
Air Bravo 1239, keep the speed up right at the end, ground 121.9er.
Speed up, right to the end, and ground 21.9. Okay, I got control, my friend.
You have control?
Yeah, just 1 second.
Winnipeg
All
Tower,
right, I got control.
hotel looking to leave downtown, direct the X. Hotel Bravo Hotel Tower and cleared direct the X, report on final. The altimeter 2977, wind 1009. 2977, we'll call you final for the X. Hotel Bravo Hotel, thanks.
So how did you enjoy this flight?
It This was one of my favorites, to be honest. It was a lot of good experience.
I remember flying in Africa was like this every day.
Next 633, back tower, wind 11010, on the XSAN, clear land runway 13.
Clear land, runway 18, 18.3, holding short of 13 for FedEx.
Monitor
137 heavy.
Hold.
Ground, good afternoon, Air Bravo 1239, vacated runway 13.
Air Bravo 1239, ground, taxi by Charlie to Apron 2.
Charlie, Apron 2, have a good night, Air Bravo 1239.
You too, thanks.
Coming off.
Alright. After landing, please.
After landing. Check.
Thank you. Oh, we're parking
Oh, that's what.
right now, eh?
AOA the ice.
For fuel, I'll tell you.
Sorry?
Fuel.
How much?
Tire?
No, I love this. Like this was amazing. My oxygen mask.
$130 plus 130 per side liters.
Liters? Okay.
You got it. Well, good job, man.
Thank you.
You're doing very good.
Do you know how to put this on or no? Or does this even go
Yeah.
on? I think it's broken.
Just open the door, man. We're gonna
Okay.
cook here.
130?
Yeah, 130.